To add a name to our ribbon. Then we're going to change the color of the name and move it around. All right, so let's start. Now we click onto the text tool, which is on our left side toolbar towards the bottom. And in the example of the book, they use Minion Pro, and the size is 32. So you can see you can choose anything you want. It's available for you. And to change the font size, you can either type it in or select from the drop-down menu. And so we have that. Now we have to choose our color. And if we go to the swatches and choose pastel, you can choose any color you want. And I'm going to choose this pastel pea green. And I'm going to type in the word name, because you're going to put your name in, or your whatever name you want. Now, the other thing is, I don't believe they wanted it to be italics. So if you don't, you select it, and then you unclick. Oh, it's just italics already by itself. Okay, so there it is. Now, in the book, they want us to change it from pastel to light, and I believe the color that they're choosing is light yellow orange. So there's the light colored orange. I can move and adjust the name using the move tool, which is the first tool on the left side. So there, now we have a name in that banner. You can put whatever name you want.